This is take 2 of the assembly. So we have the stand, the spindle, the large gear, the gear nuts with the lock nut and the spindle nuts. So take the large gear, place it into the spindle like this, take the nut, place it on the top, it should screw down quite easily. So you want it firm enough, but this still has to move nice and easily. That's about right. Once you have it where you want it, you then take the lock nut and lock it into place. So that still goes around nicely. To place the spindle with the gear into here, you have to place it at the top. This is the only place that it can go in. So you pull that in, check that it's in the right place, and take the nuts, spindle nuts, tighten down to make it not too tight, it still has to go round, and then you lock it so that nothing comes undone during operation. And there we are, simple, fully assembled. Take your drill into there. I put mine on the lowest torque level, and with this it's still plenty of power to make it go round. And there you have it, fully assembled. I'll do a second video in a moment which will show the operation of the unit. The 45-degree one was set exactly the same, just 45 degrees. The reason I made this is I found that when I started using this, the ball of wool was partly obscured, so you couldn't see if things were slipping. So when I put it at 45 degrees here, you could see everything and it still operates nicely, and you still have room for the drill. Of course, the tensioner or the guide didn't work properly with this, so I had to make this extra stand to bring this up higher and put it at an angle so that it was aligned properly. So I'll show you how it operates in the next video, showing the operation of the unit.